Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Livia. Today we are going to continue on our Flappy Spaceship workshop. So today we are going to make our spaceship collide with the planets and talk about the scoring. If you are stuck, go ahead and email us or message us. We'll try to help you as soon as possible. I've also linked down my code below in a link so you can access that to the previous code. So just a recap, this is what we did before. So we can now fly, but we are not colliding with any of the planets, so we have to make that collide today. With collisions, there is a particular area that the spaceship has to crash into for the game to end. We need to map out this area in code. So let's see this, where a spaceship is approaching planet I. How do we know whether a spaceship is touching or not touching the planet? We have to come up with a logic where we think of the center of the spaceship and compare it to the center of the planet to see if they are touching or not, to see when this will happen, such that this will never occur. So let's see this diagram. Over here you see that this is the diameter of the spaceship. That will be your x. And if you do x minus spaceship.d divided by 2, that will be the left side of your spaceship. And if you plus spaceship.d, that will be your right side of the spaceship. So let's come up with a way to think of this logic. Going back to the code. Where should we put the collision logic? So that would be every time you update your spaceship, you have to see whether your spaceship has been touching the planet or not. So it goes here. So pause this video, try it yourself, and see if it works. Okay, so this is my version. You might have a different one. I now like to put my calculations into D, and if in doubt, I can print my D and check if it's right. So whenever D is less than planets I.D divided by 2, plus spaceship.D divided by 2, then my spaceship has touched the planet, so I put in spaceship.die. Just a reminder, this is what my spaceship.die looks like. I reinitialize Y to 200, speed to 0, and put the planets back to an empty list. So let's run this and see if it works. So that's our first planet, and I'll try to collide, and it restarts. So it works. Okay, so if you missed that, also put it in a slide, and this is my version of colliding. Okay, the next part is we are going to put in scores into your game. Since score will be in the form of a number, I'm going to put score starting as 0, and I'll put that as a var. So go ahead and draw your text over here, in your draw function over here. I'm going to put mine as 200, that will be the color of my text, and for the text I'll just put in score equals to the score. That will be the position of where your score will be. So if I run, score will always be 0 right now, because we haven't updated that just yet. Just for in case you're wondering what happens if we change this, that is your x and y coordinate, so if I play that, that will change the position. So I'll just move it back. To update the score, I will put score +1 whenever we pass a planet. So over here, I'll increase score +1. And whenever we die, we are going to put score back to 0. The score starts with 0. And there you go, your score is there. So put on the score on the screen of your game. Then you can think of how to add your score with a more advanced logic, or even change the color or even the size of the text. So that's the end of our game. But don't stop here. Try out new things. Maybe you can even create your own game now. And I'm looking forward to the next game that will be on my app store.